Hey everybody, in this quick tutorial we are fixing the Facebook login alert not showing up, whether you're not getting notifications, emails or SMS when someone tries to log in. So let's just dive right in. Start by opening up the Facebook application for that, and once you access the Facebook application, look out for the menu option in the top right corner and then select it. After you select the menu, what you need to do is scroll down and look out for the option of settings and privacy, and find the option of settings within here by tapping on it. So look out for your settings and tap on it. After you tap on your settings, you need to go to the account center, directly tap on it, and within there, go over to the password and security section and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can look out for the option of login alerts. So just go over and tap on that option. And then ensure for the Facebook application that all of these notification options are turned on. So always turn it on for the login alerts. You can tap on it and then ensure that both of these options are always turned on to be safe. Also make sure all the notifications are also turned on. So you can hold the Facebook application for that and go to the info tab at the top. And from there, go over to the notifications option and tap on it and enable this option right here. And then just go over and enable everything. So look out for the in-app notifications here, and ensure that all of these notifications are turned on for the one that you are gonna receive. And also clear the Facebook app cache, so you can hold the Facebook application for that and go to the info section at the top. And within there, just go over and scroll down and look out for the storage section and tap on it. And within there, look out for the clear cache option. And clearing the cache should fix most of the alerts, not saving problems on your device. So that is it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can try out if you want to fix the Facebook notifications, or let's say alerts not showing. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.